lovely Kiki 1000, or you can call me Shakidria Adele Thompson. It really don't matter. But yeah, I got some packages. It's 2 of them. And y'all already know what it is. It's my bracelet making kit. Okay. Let's open it. I will be doing another video for this one. So yeah. And then I'm gonna make a video of me making a bracelet, stuff like that. So an entrepreneur vlog will be coming today. I'm gonna put on something better, you know. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, y'all, let's hop right into this wonderful video. So this is me unboxing my package from the TikTok shop, part 3. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, period. Yeah, stop playing with KK. Okay. Oh. Gosh, I can't even open it. Okay, there you go. 'Cause yeah. Okay, I got it open. Thank you God for that. A bag. Another bag. This Christmas? What the world? Oh, okay, whatever. It says Merry Christmas, even though it's not Christmas. And then, let's see. What type of charms they got with it. Okay. Purple beaded charms. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what all it has in it. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing that I got in the last video that y'all seen. So yeah. Whew, it's hot. Okay, so I got the charms. I mean, not the charms, but the bracelets. The snake charm bracelets, whatever you want to call these. And then I got the purple beaded ones, the beaded charms. And then got some silver ones, you know. Yeah. And then I got these right here, the purple and the silver. And yeah. Okay, y'all. So, unboxing my package from the TikTok shop part 4 will be coming today. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned for that video. Okay, and yeah, y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me everywhere on my social media platforms. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye, y'all.